Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. So in this video, I will tell you how to become a crypto trader and I will show you how to trade with cryptocurrencies on Pocket Option platform because you also have this opportunity to trade with crypto on Pocket Option. Also guys, if you will register on Pocket Option by my link and use my promo code, you will get plus 50% to your first deposit. So guys, let's get started. Here is Pocket Option. First of all, I will change the settings to aim to here, candles. Time for trade is 2 minutes as well. And here I choose MACD indicator because we will open a trades, of course, and alligator indicator as well. Also here, let's look at our charts and let's find the best one. So here, for example, we see there is no trends. Here is the same situation on the Dogecoin. Because of we can see that all the three lines of alligator is intersects each other and it means like there is no trend and alligator is sleeping right now. Here situation is better, but it's already the resistance level, so I don't really recommend to open a trade there because we following our indicators. So here I open a trade for 2 minute up at Polygon OTS or Polygon OTS. Sorry. So English is not my native language, so sometimes, guys, I hope you understand that. So here we can see that all the three lines of alligator indicator is showing us to open a trade up because they are moving up in the same direction and there is a distance between them. So that means that this is probably an upward trend and we can see it by analyzing the chart. So it was a downward trend before, then boom, it reached the support level and now it's already growing for wait a minute, for maybe around 15 minutes or even more. So there is some risk that upward trend could end here already because now we can see a red candle, but I think it's gonna be okay because it's just the start of upward trend. Also, we can see it by our MACD indicator. We can see that our histogram is above the zero level and also our two lines of MACD intersects the histogram and going up. So it could mean that our chart will also grow. So for example, when you trade cryptocurrency, actually I recommend you to use 3 to 5 minute trades time frame for your trades at least because you're a beginner and you need more time, I like short-term trades because it's just more convenient for you, more fast, and I'm using 2-minute trades in my VIP Club channel because I'm sure about my signal. But if you're trading by yourself, it's better to choose bigger time frame. So yeah, guys, we had our profit. Let's look at another cryptocurrencies, and after that, I will start my speech about how to become a crypto trader. So here is the same situation, an upward trend. All the indicators, as you can see, is showing us to open a trade up. So let's wait for a trade. I open here a trade for 2 minutes up and let's just see. So crypto trader has the ultimate goal of profiting from short-term changes in cryptocurrency market prices. So maybe you heard about the terms alts, which means alternative cryptocurrencies and are usually considered smaller with market capitalization to represent that. So some crypto traders may only focus on alts and not bother to trade the main cryptocurrencies at all. So none of the above scenarios are wrong because, however, it is a matter of determining what is the right strategy for you. So your risk tolerance as well and your overall goals. So let's talk about the strategies of the crypto traders and what you can choose for yourself. So option 1 is buy and sell crypto on the exchange. It's not about what we're doing now, but I think I also need to tell you about this option because a lot of people who is trading crypto doing it on the exchanges, and I think you know about this option, we can say it like that. So it is absolutely a viable option to buy the cryptocurrencies of your choice directly from a crypto exchange, which means you actually own the underlying asset of the cryptocurrency. So guys, by the way, we had the profit from Tron OTS. That's great. And let's look at the other charts. We will open the trade and we will continue. Don't worry. So here we can see also an upward trend. The histogram of MACD is above zero level. The lines of MACD is moving upwards in the same direction, but there is already, I think, the resistance level. So, but I don't want to go against the trend right now, at least at that chart. So let's look at another ones. For example, this one. I analyzed and I understand that all the charts that we saw right now, it's achieved the resistance level, and I decided to open here trade down for 2 minutes. Although the indicators showing us to open the trade up because the tree lines of alligator is moving upwards in the same direction, and also the histogram of MACD is above the zero level. The lines of MACD is intersects the histogram and also going upwards, but we can see this is definitely the resistance level, and in this situation I'm sure that our chart will go lower. But yeah, let's see what we're gonna have there. So let's talk about buying and selling cryptocurrency on the exchange, right? So buying and storing cryptocurrency directly on the exchange can be risky, of course, as these exchanges can be hacked and are often, not always, are unregulated and will incur fees when you both buy and sell. By the way, guys, text me in the comments if you tried it. It's really interesting to read all of that, and I really appreciate your feedback about all of that. So guys, here I opened 2 more trades for $100 up each, because we can see that our chart just broke the resistance level. Sometimes it's happening. It's totally okay. We just opened a catch-up. If you need a video about the catch-up, I will do it. Just text in the comments. So when we do a catch-up, we just open 2 trades for the same amount of money that we did before. So that's how we can cover the losses from our last trade or trades and still have a profit. But I will definitely do a detailed video about catch-up. So the option 2 is trade crypto with a regulated broker, for example, pocket option. So this option is more ideal when your strategy is short term, which is really the only viable option for trading in the first place. So the type of crypto trader use leverage, meaning they only need to put up a small deposit of the full value of the position. So crypto traders also have the benefit of shorting and selling cryptocurrency, meaning they could also profit from a falling market. So considering the uptrends and downward trends in the Bitcoin and US dollar chart above using, so guys, we had our profit from our catch-ups. So guys, I opened another chart and I opened here trade for 2 minute up. The situation is the same, definitely an upward trend. Of course, there are also cons which come with SVD trading of any kind. So general and quick market changes pose a risk to your capital and must be monitored. So liquidity risks also must be considered with SVD trading, as market conditions can change quickly and existing contracts can become illiquid. So actually, as you can see by my other videos, for example, there is not a really big difference about cryptocurrency trading. And so, for example, you can watch my other videos where I just trade with currency pair, and it actually looks kind of the same. So here I open catch up for $200 down for 2 minutes, because we can see now it's a reversal. We can see the red candle on the histogram of MACD, so it could mean that our chart will go lower. So guys, I told you before that you can see on the chart of cryptocurrencies and currency pair, for example, and it kind of looks the same. But I already told you that on one of my live stream why I don't really trade cryptocurrencies on my trading sessions or something else. Actually, this is the first video when I trade with cryptocurrencies for you. Of course, I tried it, and so for me personally, I realized like this is not my thing, and I want to trade with currency pairs. So I think if you want to be actually professional in something, you need to choose one thing. So I decided to choose currency pairs, and I'm professional in that. I'm doing it for years already, and I think when the traders trying to trade with a lot of things, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and currency pairs, this is not really professional thing. I think this person trying to make as much money as possible with all these things, but actually I really recommend you to choose something one. So guys, by the way, we had the profit from this trade. It's pretty great. Yeah, we had 2 catch up, but still we had our profit because we covered the losses from our last trades. So guys, what I wanted to say in conclusion, I just wanted to show you that and how all this working, and that you can use the indicators that, for example, I use always on trading with currency pairs, and it still will work. But I really recommend you to choose one thing that you want to trade on: cryptocurrencies, stocks, or currency pairs. For example, for myself, I decided to trade with currency pairs because it's the news, technical fundamental analysis is really working great on the currency pairs, and for me it's working much more better than cryptocurrencies or stocks, for example. But it's also existing in a lot of people trading on cryptocurrencies and stocks, and a lot of things. You can try it for yourself. Of course, crypto trading is profitable as well if you use a great strategy, you have a lot of experience in that, you're always learning. So the practice is the main key in everything, in cryptocurrency trading as well. So text me in the comments, have you already tried to trade on cryptocurrencies, maybe on exchange or on some trading platform as pocket option? It will be really interesting for me to know. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. There I share with you free signals on pocket option, and even if you don't have a real account yet, you can try my signals on the demo account and understand for yourself, is my signals profitable or not. But disclaimer, they are profitable, and a lot of my subscribers is really enjoying trading with me. So guys, see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.